Hi everyone, this is Shravanti and my team is Anusha, Pratyusha and Shravanti. We are recording for LAB4 of mobile application which covers the following features like hardware features like maps, news activity, camera, storage, audio recording, and we have used APIs for news activity and for camera, and we are using a database storage using a Firebase. We also used a grid layout in our activities, and we have a UI design to our application. Let's see the code flow. So this is our main activity. In our main activity, we are inputting all our app compatibility and views and Firebase authentication. Then in our main activity, we are giving like login activity, like providing username and password. It will let you to enter into the Firebase database. So we are checking the username and we are checking the password and validating the username and password. If it is not there, it will show you a message like invalid username or password. If you have a if username and password are validated, it will show you a success message and takes you to home activity. And either we are also providing register button here, so it will let user to register. So in our register activity, we are creating we are letting the user to register using email, providing email and password. So once he enter his email and password, and he can give password which is more than 6 digit. If password is less than 6 digit, we are showing a text message showing like password is too short, please enter like minimum 6 characters. And once he clicks on register, inside Firebase we create user with email and password. If there is some error, if task is not successful, it will show you that authentication is failed, and once you register, it will take you back to main activity. Let me show you the Firebase. So we first create our Firebase. Here we passing our package with Firebase app. Then we create here, once you register in the application, it will show your details here. So when you successfully go to your login activity, once you successfully logged in, it will take you to the home activity. In our home page, we have camera button, then audio, location, storage, news and logout. So we will go by one by one activity. First we go with the news activity. So news activity here is like we are using one API key for news activity, that is from news API, and we are using a source of BBC source, and we are displaying the news in a list form, and we are also providing a progress bar which is a loader. So when it's taking time to display the news in a list, it's taking time to load the page, so we are displaying a loader to the user. So we are providing the list of author, title, news description, news URL and URL to image, and when is the news is published at. So we are all getting all this data from JSON. So this is our JSON response. From the provided JSON response, we are fetching all these details, and this is our API key. We are passing our XML to do in a background, so we are passing this our source and our API key here. and once it download news, then it will connect to the new network. So this is our news activity. And now we will see our maps activity. This is our location. So usually we know how our Google map works. So first we need to provide access permission. So we provide permissions for internet. This is a basic in our manifest. So if you see in our manifest, we are providing our access for record, for locations, for storage, for internet. So similarly, in our maps activity, we are providing access. We are checking the map is ready and checking our packages have a access for location. Once location is there, access and permissions are there, we say other permission is provided. So we initialize the map settings. So this method will call to display info button once location details. Once you click on location, so it will show you the present location of your current location. So it will check again. You can even go with by latitudes and longitude, like you can update your location providing or for searching for particular location. So next we see our camera activity. In camera activity, we have provided an API key which is like classified for whenever if you have captured an image. So for example, if you capture a bottle, from the bottle it will get the values like the water content, the water level, the bottle, the plastic, or what is it made of, the surrounding capture, whatever it would get the data of the from the image, it will display you. So on create, like we are streaming like image, we are once we visual recognition, so classifying opticals like fruit bowl or default. So it is like Clarify API, similar to Clarify API. So on success, it will display you the result here, result plus name and score. So once you open your camera, it will take you to the image capture and activity result in request code. It will whatever you have captured the image, it will convert into a bitmap and bitmap into your data. So that image view will fetch the data and save image in a bitmap, and it will again show you the image. It will display the image. So and it will ask you the save image. To save your image to a file location, and this is a go to home back. So once you can come back after you have done with your camera activity, you can come back to home activity. Let's see audio record activity. So this is our record activity. In our record activity, we will provide we have actions like for start recording, stop recording, start playing, and stop playing. So we are initializing our media player once you click on start playing button. So it will initialize the media player in the backend. So you can record your recording. Then while recording, you can your mic will get your mic in your phone that records whatever is the audio is playing, you're providing. So once you release stop record, it will record stop and recorder will be released. You can click on a play button, so it will start playing whatever you have recorded, and you can click on stop button, stop playing. So this is our audio record activity. Now let's see our storage activity. So in storage activity, we are providing our file name to save. This is like whatever. So once you have created a file, we are using file output stream that is used to write your file, and that appends your file. and you're saving, and once we're also retrieving our file using our file input stream method, we are calling that. We have also provided a logout button. So in activity we have a logout button in our home page. So once you click logout, it will take you to the main activity. So let me show you the XMLs. How does it look? So this is our main XML. It's take time to build. So this is a main XML. We have provided an email, password, and login button and register. One user by clicking register, he will go to register page. So he can provide email and password and get registered, and he come back to it. Will now, once you click on register, it will take back to your login page, and you can provide those same email and password. You can finish your login. Once you click on login, it will take you to the home XML, which has like these are the grid layout we have used. So you can see our grid layouts we have used here. This camera, news, these are the activities features we have provided in our grid. So once you click on each button, so it will take you to the respected page. Thank you.